Let's talk about the paragraph panel in Affinity Designer. For doing that, I need the frame text tool that you can control your frame, your paragraph. For inserting text, you can simply right click and insert the filler tool. For editing that, don't forget to go into the layer and convert it to art. As you can see, we have a lot of paragraph here that we can control all of this text. For doing that, you can access to paragraph from the settings of the text here, or you can simply go to the window, text, and the paragraph. For changing that, don't forget to first select the paragraph that you want to change. Here you can alignment them as you wish, to the left, to the right, justify them. It's very simple. You can see them, but in this case, it gives a lot of space in between the end of the paragraph. It tries to stretch this line to all this shape. I explain a style later, but here you can choose lots of style that you created before from here. Here you can choose the spacing between lines, very simple, leading line. You can see the left indent, you can see left indent, different between them. Here you can see the first line indent. Here you can see it changing them. Between most scroll here, you can change right indent from this part or first right indent. Here, last line from indent, you can change it. A space before paragraph, you can change it. Nice. You can see them. Scroll them to see what is it changing, and you can change it if you want. A space after the paragraph, you can change the spacing between paragraph, or do same paragraph between the same styles. Here you can see changes, or some space before and after if you want. You can active them. And use a space before only between paragraph. You can say them. It's very easy, only at the top or always. Yeah, you can see them if you want. You can choose them. Another important thing here is that as you can see, we have lots of tab here. We can open them, close them to better understanding them. Tab stops. It's very simple. If you add on your keyboard hit tab, it gives you a space. Tab, tab, tab. This space is defined here in a pixel. You can, for example, tell the software, okay, 100 pixel. If you tab, it jump 100% of tab. This tab is very important because it defines the number and bullets. Bullets are numbering here. I come back and tell you again. Here is a justification. Here you can justify between some cases it's not minimum word spacing. You can say maximum word spacing. If you want to just define one paragraph, just be on this paragraph. Going your mouse cursor that it changed just that paragraph. Okay, it's justification, a specific paragraph that your cursor is in that. Be careful about that. Okay, these are the minimum. You can just change the maximum of your defining. You can see you're going most maximum letter, use them, but you can use them if you want. Interesting part is the bullet and numbering. Here is a bullet list. It's a bullet. It just create this bullet. You can see Control A to select all of them. You can see the bullet. And as you can see, it gives a bullet here. Gives you a number, gives you anything that you want. You can see here. For example, the number, for example, bullet. It's level 1, level 2. You can change the levels. From here, you can define the structure of the bullets. It's very simple. From here, let's try just one to see better. This is a bullet and a space. It just tap a stop of that bullet. You can change it if you want. If you need more space between bullet and your beginning of your paragraph, you can choose it here. You can define it, alignment of the bullet numbers, and starting from one, they are turned off because just we need the bullet. Bullets means it shapes that. You define your structure here. You can better see it there. You can define any structure from here. This sign is, it means a tab stop. This tab stop. You can, this is our bullet. This is our tab stop. You can, with a backspace, delete that. And as you can see, the bullet are snapping to our word. If you want, you can click from here and insert a tab again. If you want two more tab, you can insert two more tab. And after tab, you can define, for example, dash. This is a structure of here. You can define it there. Or from here, you can add more sign with double click. Nice. You can Control X. No, you cannot. You can delete that. Going your mouse here and with the arrow keys, and then you can insert and another more symbols there. This is a structure of your tab. With the backspace, you can delete. This tab space, you can define it there. If you bring it to numbers, we have a different things. This is tab dot. This is a structure of here. The number, then dot, then space, and another thing that you want. You can insert tab, another tab to more space. Starting for better understanding, Control A and give another number to all of them. No. And number again. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 of tabs. And let's, for example, I want to enter another tab here. It's automatically define it, and it's add a number to other tabs. Nice. Start from 1, start from 2 if you want. For better understanding that, you have to make it Control A to select all and start from 2 to other things. Restart numbering. And you can add more style from here. This is an all above the numbering. And be careful about this tab stop. You can add another tab stop here with a more defined number. And as you can see, it's had a lot of tab stop here because the default number is this and it's effective bulletin number. It's actually, I think, add this to this number. And you can, like this tab stop, you can add a structure. You can left it from center. You can start it from left. It's better. For example, this number is here. You can define it from there. You can define it from right, but that does not mean here. After that, you can fill it with a dash from here if you want. To better seeing that, you can open that, and as you can see, this is a structure. Alignment, leader between them, position of them from right. You can see it. In this case, it does not mean from right, and you can delete it if you want. Don't changing the tab stop of the software because it's annoying you. Okay, this is a paragraph. You can use it. We have more settings that I don't use them very much. These are more important things that we explain you. That's it. You can close them, and if you want, you can use them again. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.